Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to another edition of Money Making Monday. Today we're going to be talking about Buzzbreak. Now, Buzzbreak is a news feed app, and you can earn money from reading the news and many different articles. And it gives you many options to earn incentives and points, and every article that you read, like this, we are going to look at this, and it tells you all the information in the article and then also a few seconds to claim 6 points. So every article you read, you earn 6 points, and those 6 points add up over time. So 6, 12, 18, 24, you get the rest. So that is the gist of this app. And then you can also watch video. You can also watch videos on Buzzbreak, and that way you could probably earn points from it. I'm not sure. I haven't really used this feature. Then you can also go to wallet, and then you can also invite friends, cash out your funds, and check in. I'm not going to press this button checked in because it will play an ad, and I don't play ads on my videos. Well, ads appear on my videos so that I can be able to monetize, but here is a button that says cash out. And if you have enough balance in your points, you can cash out and verify it through PayPal. And then this also gives you a summary of all your points here. Now, that's basically the video in a nutshell. This explains how to use the app and how you can get a lot of points by reading articles. And it's all it is. It's just reading articles and earning points. And the more points you earn, the more money you get. So there wasn't really much to say about this, but you can check out my referral code in the description below. I put a link on there so that you can sign up for Buzzbreak, and you can also download it on your smartphone. And yeah, just read articles, and you can also look at the trending topics here. You can also read trending articles and get points in there. So you can look at pictures, and then it says loading reward down here, and then you scroll down, and then the points will show up. So you have 8 seconds to look at the picture. Glock Ness Monster. Ha, that's funny. So then what you do is you scroll down the bottom. The line shows up there, and you gain 6 points. So that is how you do it. Really easy way to make some money and also learn about stuff at the same time. So thank you very much for watching this. Don't forget to check out my links in the description below, and also there's a referral code where you can sign up and earn an extra amount of money. Thank you very much, and have a great day.